Lecture 1, Introduction to Food Science. Overview of food science. Definition of food science. This field encompasses the study of the physical, biological, and chemical aspects of food. It investigates how food is grown, processed, preserved, and consumed. Simply put, food science is about understanding what food is made of, how it behaves during different processes, and how to keep it safe and nutritious. Importance of food science. Food scientists work to ensure that the food we eat is safe from contamination and harmful substances. This includes understanding pathogens, which are harmful microorganisms and toxins. They also help maintain the quality of food from farm to table, ensuring that food retains its nutritional value, flavor, and texture. Additionally, food science drives new product development, leading to healthier and more convenient food options. And of course, understanding the nutritional components of food helps consumers make informed dietary choices for better health. Historical context of food science. Ancient practices. People have used methods like fermentation, which is turning sugars into alcohol or acids, drying, which is removing moisture, and smoking, which is preserving food with smoke, for thousands of years. These methods were essential for extending the shelf life of food before modern refrigeration. Modern developments. The invention of refrigeration, pasteurization, which is heating food to kill harmful bacteria, and vacuum packaging has revolutionized how food is preserved and stored, reducing spoilage and enhancing safety. Food science is, well, inherently interdisciplinary, blending elements from various scientific fields to ensure the food we eat is safe, nutritious, and delicious. The connection between food science and other sciences is, frankly, quite profound. Take biology, for instance. Understanding microorganisms like bacteria and fungi is crucial for food safety and fermentation processes. Then there's chemistry. Studying the chemical properties of food components helps scientists understand reactions during cooking, preservation, and spoilage. And let's not forget engineering. Food processing requires knowledge of engineering to design equipment and processes that enhance efficiency and safety. Food science is not limited to just one area. It applies to nutrition, safety, product development, and even marketing. So yeah, it's pretty versatile. Alright, let's dive into the key areas of food science. Understanding what food is made of is essential. Key components include nutrients, carbohydrates, which are sugars and starches that provide energy. They are found in grains, fruits, and vegetables. Proteins are the building blocks of life, essential for growth and repair, and can be found in meat, beans, and dairy. And then we have fats, energy-dense nutrients that are crucial for brain health and cell function. Sources include oils, butter, and avocados. Different methods help keep food safe and extend its shelf life. For example, refrigeration slows down the growth of bacteria by keeping food cold. Another method is canning, which involves sealing food in containers and heating them to kill bacteria and prevent spoilage. Food safety and quality. Maintaining high standards for food quality and safety is essential to prevent contamination and ensure consumer health. Key practices include cleanliness, proper cooking temperatures, and avoiding cross-contamination, which means preventing harmful microorganisms from spreading. Challenges in food science. Food security. Food security means having reliable access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food. Challenges include poverty, climate change, and food distribution systems that leave some populations vulnerable. Sustainability. The environmental impact of food production is significant. Sustainable practices like reducing food waste and using resources efficiently are essential for protecting the planet.